Gorgeous.
Then standing.
You're an angel too.
No, no, no. How nice. It's nice to, I like wearing white actually. So I'm glad that the color of Pantene is white. But thank you really, jokes apart, thank you very much to all those who came here. I hope we have fun today, and whatever you will ask, I will answer.
Thank you for making that clear. Don't get naughty, guys. All right. So Parinidhi, obviously you're here and we're all happy, but you've been dominating the news recently with your various roles that you've done. We watched you in Hasi To Fasi and we absolutely love that crazy role of yours. And also now Daawat-e-Ishq is coming, so best of luck for that. So we hear that you have been a Pantene loyalist, yeah? And you recently. So we want you to please share your association with the brand.
So my association with not only Pantene but P&G as a family back a long way. And when I had the first conversation with them, when they offered me the brand ambassador, it was a very special moment for me because 4 years ago I never thought that the product that I was selling I would be selling in another light. My association, of course, is also an emotional one. But Pantene in particular is something that has been part of my life before I started using it. My mom used to use it, and then when I was offered to be a brand ambassador, I told them, my simple rule is I always use the product and then decide whether or not I want to endorse it. So I actually told them, listen, just give me a few bottles of Pantene, let me try it and then I'll get back to you. And I used it for 2 weeks, and I swear to God, I felt so much at ease because we use so much of hair product in our hair every day. It was very cool. So I was like, okay, this is a product that I can honestly sell on TV. So come on, let's get on board. So I feel very good that I'm part of this family.
Thank you so much. We also hear that you have tried various hairstyles in a lot of movies, and you were very skeptical about, very fearful of hair getting damaged. So finally you found a product that you can use.
Yeah, in films, I think your look is very important. Hair, of course, being a major part of it. Before I came to India, I used to feel very scared. I used to feel, even if I blow dry my hair, my hair's conditioner is bad for my hair. Please somebody explain that science to me, So I think that confidence comes when you're gonna have something that is gonna save your hair. So now the amount of styling, blow drying, straightening, tonging, whatever we do for our films, I really do it fearlessly, honestly. And it's only because I have a great product that I can go back to.
Thank you, Parinidhi. Well, congratulations on that. So Parinidhi, well, as you know, Pantene has been claiming that it guarantees 3 months of split-end protection. I know you can prove that.
It's happened in my life only. Even if I was not the brand ambassador, I used to have split ends, and now mere split end free baal dekho aap sab. It's true, honestly. The one thing that I really appreciate about Pantene is, they never claim to magically repair your hair. They always promise to protect you, which is a great thing. I think many products say, oh, you're going to wash your hair once with so-and-so shampoo and you just see in the evening what happens, as if it's some magical product. But I think Pantene is very true to what it is. No, we are not selling a magical product, but we are selling a product that's going to protect you, and that's what we say in every TV scene. So honestly, I think also as a company, P&G really goes by its principles and really shows them in their product. So you guys also, at the end of today, please go to the market and go and buy one and only.
So Parinidhi, we're going to do the needle test.
Yes.
And here we go. Here's the gel.
So I think we should explain the needle test also to them. You want to do it? No? Okay, so I just you that the new TVC that I shot for, it has a very simple thing of a needle test where, you know, especially hair like mine, which is very fine, when we have split ends, we cannot make our hair just past the eye of the needle. And now we claim when you use Pantene, and it is proven in my life also, that my hair also can pass through the needle's eye, which is so fine. So of course we're going to show an exaggerated version to you, but you know what we're trying to say.
Well, not pass through that needle. So you can try this at home. Yes, Parineeti?
Honestly,
yeah.
I also did it just for kicks. You know, the day I shot the TVC, I was like, let's actually try it. And it actually works out. When you have, it actually doesn't go through the needle. When you solve that problem, it can go through. You really need to try it at home. It's fun also.
So basically, you're saying there's proof in what you say. It's not just claiming.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. You know, in the TVC also I say, you know, proof dikhao, to main manu. And it's very easy to stand here and say, oh, Pantene does this and Pantene does that. But like I said, I've tried it at home. And all those who know me know that I'm a fairly honest person. So you guys also need to try. You will get the proof yourself.
Well, thank you, Parineeti. And so, as Pantene says that you can try it at home, I don't think the brand actually says please try this at home. Okay, friends. Well, thank you, Parineeti. Thank you, Colleen, for being such a sport. And also, we hear your friend Alia Bhatt keeps says it to the media every time that, you know, Parineeti has the most beautiful hair in the industry. So we know why now.
No, it's very sweet to say that, and it's a mutual admiration club, I think, because I love her hair. Yeah. I really do. She has such long hair, and I don't have long hair right now. I've cut it for a film, and when you have short hair, you crave long hair. So I love her hair. I also love Jacqueline's hair, but I have to say, I love Dimple Kapadia's hair very much. Yeah, my 3 favorites. Yeah.
Right. So 3, that's it?
3 favorites for now. है विनोद तुम स्टेज पे ही आ जाओ भाई तुम इधर ही आ जाओ विनोद सिंह मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है बॉस प्लीज डोंट वेस्ट माय टाइम ही सेइंग विनोद कौन आने वाला है विनोद तुम्हारा क्या है आज क्या है दिन खराब है तुम्हारा क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे
Well, okay. Looks like you found a new hair, guys. Okay, thank you.
तुम Pantene यूज करते हो कि नहीं मैं जानना चाहती हूँ क्यों अभी मैं तुम्हें फोटो नहीं दूँ
Parineeti has gift a Pantene to me.
So of course.
Okay.
No, he has to buy it. No, I'm not gifting. He has to buy it.
Thank you, Parineeti. Thank you, Colleen. All right, ladies and gentlemen. we'll have a little Q&A, one or not. First we'll go for the photo op. We'll also be placing a table here, so you can keep all your booms out here and be placed right there and ask your particular questions that you have with Pariniti. She'll be happy to answer all of them. Firstly, can we have a round of applause for Colleen and Pariniti? एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए इनके लिए. Thank you so much.